Okie dokie. On the bench today, we have, I believe, we have a U.S. Championship V-Ball. Now, this is an awesome game. I do see we got some shit happening here by this custom. So I hooked it up to JAMA. Let's see what happens. That's not good. That's not good at all. Oh, I believe we're missing op amps here, but we're getting nothing on screen here. Oh, I hear something though. I don't know what that is. Just checking to see if I feel anything really weird here. Well, they were getting warm, so they were starting. Okay, let me dig into this a little bit here. Do we have proper audio amp? It looks like we do. Okay. Okay, so it was up a little bit. I don't believe any of that. I don't know what that's all about. Should that be shifted over one? No, probably not. That's probably right. I think the first thing I should do is probably check the... Well, we probably don't need to check the sound system. That part's probably okay, but we should check the program and probably the ROMs, the graphic part here. This I'll have to take care of. I don't know. Is that just old flux? Somebody do some work here? Oh, that doesn't look soldered very well right there compared to... See that? I don't exactly know what the hell's going on here. Okay, give me a second here. Let me see if I can figure this out. And I'll be right back. Okay, progress moved pretty fast on this. So, you can see where I cleaned the area of the board here. So I was a little wrong. That's not the audio section here. This is the audio section. This is the audio section ROM. I pulled that out, and I couldn't read it at first. The socket was disgusting, and so were the pins. So I finally read it. Boom. Okay, we're good. Still nothing, though. So I move over here to the program, the main CPU program, and I'm like, wait a minute. See the way those stickers are? Yeah, that's normal, like Technos Japan. Like, that's real. Now I look at this one and I go, oh, wait a minute, that's a little different. So I read it. Can't read it at first because the pins are disgusting, and so was the socket. So I cleaned it up. As you can see, I still got crap in here. But anyways, I go to read it. Somebody put the bootleg version of it on here, right? But once I clean the pins and clean the socket, check this out. Cool. Cool. Now, I don't know what the big difference is going to be between this bootleg version and what it's supposed to be. I mean, I could always change this out. I do see that this is a 27C512, and what's written underneath the socket, like this, for example, right, 27C301, this says it's an 010, right? So, yeah, I mean, it is different, but, I mean, let me back out here. Woo, she's cute. So, like I said, I cleaned up this part. You can actually see where I cleaned. There's still crap on here, but yeah, I believe that's what we had going on here, was a bad socket and bad legs. Bad socket and bad legs, but we're up and running now. So now we should deal with this audio section now. It just so happened that I have some here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, I don't know if these are any good or not, but give me a second here. I'm going to install these, and I'm going to see if we get audio back. Okay, got some op amps installed here. I don't know if they're any good, though. I mean, that's the nature of the game when it comes to this stuff. when I'm pulling stuff off of old boards, or pulled them off old boards. I don't know if they're any good or not, but okay, still good. Let's see. Hey, are we supposed to have music? I don't feel them getting warm. I think we're supposed to have some music here, are we not? At least. Oh, okay, we got. Oh, okay. Okay, we at least have proper audio. Well, oh yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Anyways, are we supposed to have music? Is that the bootleg ROM telling it no music? I'm confused. I might have to look. Maybe I'll swap these around and just see what happens. See if one of them brings back music or what. If I can determine if one of these is bad. Because that seems right. Huh. You know what? I might have to. It's been so long since I played this. I have no idea what's going on. Oops. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll turn that off because that is absolutely, that's so loud. Is that cranked? That can't be. That was damn near shut right off and it was that loud. That does seem a little bit gummy though. I don't know. But still, okay. Let me look at a video and just see if I'm supposed to have some kind of music there. I mean, if not, we're good. But if we are, we got an issue. Yes, 100% we're supposed to have music there. I thought that was a little chill for what it is. So yeah, let me do a couple of little swaps here. You know, swap this one to this one, vice versa, blah, blah, blah. Let me see. Somebody's done some work here for sure. I don't exactly know what the hell's going on. There's 2 stickers here. Why is there 2? Huh. Okay, let me see what's going on. Okay, so no matter which way I've swapped them here, it all ends up the same. So I've got a feeling, so if this one's removed here, this last one here, all the sounds are just low. Right, so when I put this one back in, no matter which way I put it, right, everything's the same. So we're missing audio somewhere, but this, like I said, I verified, and it's okay. So is this bad as well? Is this bad? This is probably RAM here as well. I don't know if that would be bad. Here's a 2151 Yamaha. That could be bad. Here is a Yamaha 3012. I don't even know if I have any of those. Oh, wait. No, sorry, that's not it. I may have one of those. I'm not sure. Is this bad? I do see it's had work done to it. Huh. Okay, let me do a little looking around here. Somebody do something, because I do see some work done here as well. I know it's hard for you to tell. Sorry. But yeah, I mean, something is strange here. And yeah, this game is loud because that's off. And that is that loud. So something's a little funky here. Not exactly sure what. Like I said, I believe that all these are okay. So something's controlling the music. And like I said, this is the ROM for it. I doubt we would get those sounds and stuff without that. I mean, I could pull that and see if we lose everything. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna pull this, see what it sounds like. Put it back in if it's no different. Pull this, see what it sounds like. Again, we got some RAM right here. At least that's what I think it is. LC3317. I believe that is 2. We could have a problem with one of these logics. We could have anything going on here. I don't believe. I mean, maybe I should check these. I don't know. We got more RAM here. I believe that's probably just for this graphics section here. I don't believe we really have anything else going on here. It's got to be in this area. Yep, so these are all good now. Told you, this game's loud. Jeez. Okay, so there's 3 different op amp brands going on in here. So we got an NEC, Texas Instruments, and Japanese Radio Corp going on here. But so I tried that. I piggybacked one on there. Nah, that wasn't it. I'm like, you know what? No, sound is working, right? There's something going on here. So I went. There's the other 3012. There's some Yamaha somethings I can't remember. But then I had 3 more op amps. That one's good as well. Sorry, that one's good as well. The other 2 I had were junk. They were junk. So that's why when swapping, I was getting the same thing because, yeah, they were bad. So, look at that. Look at that. I'm all right with this. I don't exactly remember where this board came from, but I mean, do I even bother to change this? Fuck, those proms get hot. I don't like that, man. I hate that about these. But anyways, yeah, it looks like we're good to go. So excellent, easy fix. Couple of bad op amps. Well, they were missing completely. So op amps, dirty pins and socket. Come to find out, it's bootleg, but whatever. And yeah, we're good to go. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.